Hey, how's it going? Hope you're doing good. Blue one's right there. Happiness. It's like 8 in the morning. I have some stuffed mushrooms and some bacon wrapped jalapeno pepper poppers. I think I'll make those in the solar oven. Oh yeah, I got some sweet corn too. I think I'm gonna set the solar cooker and do what are we gonna do, Mika? I'm gonna finish this Hawaiian paradise? No, Hawaiian vacation. Everything's gonna be good for a long, long time. So here's the plan. I still have some Pizza Hut left over, so I just need a snack for later on. I see locally Johnsonville started producing some Hatch green chili bratwurst. And this area is known for its Hatch green chilies nationwide, if not even worldwide. And so I was kind of surprised to see it the first time I saw it. I think it's just this year. So I put one of those in my solar cooker. I'm gonna solar cook today. I got a bacon wrapped jalapeno cream cheese pepper popper, and these are really awesome. These stuffed portobello mushrooms. They're stuffed with a little bit of spinach, some mozzarella cheese, Romano, Parmesan, and looks like a little bit different sprinklings than what they usually do on top, but it doesn't matter every time. They always turn out good. So that's what we're putting in the solar cooker today. And I'm gonna set this up. I'll set the tripod up so you can see how easy it goes up, okay? Okay, first things first, you want to get your table flat and level, or whatever surface you're going to work on, you want it to be flat and level. This top piece, it's hard to see, the top, the dome. We'll set that aside. All of it comes packed in a little tiny, tiny, tiny box. You know, nice and small. Alrighty. First things first, these two pieces. There's two of them. One has an extra set of flaps. That goes on the bottom. And there's two green arrows. Boy, look at that. I've used it 5 times. It's already starting to fall apart. This shit's bright. Green arrow in one corner, green arrow in another corner. Line them up. Flip flop pieces to lock that part together. Flap. And then you attach the blue buttons and your white buttons together. The red ones are for when the sun's directly over top of you. We're going to make sure everything is in the direction that it should be. So that everything lines up. Alright, the flat side faces the sun. Then you assemble this clear piece. It's kind of like a trivet. It holds the pot up in the air that comes with it. Comes with these little silicone pieces that you put on top of that ring. It keeps it so there's a space of the pot away from that plastic so it doesn't melt like it did. Then the pot goes on top of there. Pot's on. Alright, let's give it 15 seconds to cook. There we go. Yeah, it's looking just about done right there. There we go. That only took an hour. Look at that. That's the finished product. Bacon, apple, wood smoked, bacon wrapped jalapeno popper, Hatch chili bratwurst, and stuffed portobello mushroom. This thing just works so fantastic. I've gotten so used to using it. It works great. The first bite I took was of this cheese right next to that bacon that's wrapped around. Oh, it's just really tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's cooking out at the campsite with Eddie. Take care. You have yourself an awesome one. And enjoy what's left of your weekend.